Welcome to Cura Hospitals. Cura comes with state-of-the-art world-class facilities and is a multi-specialty hospital situated in the heart of Kankapura Road, Bangalore. We at Cura are making the best of the exceptionally talented specialists and the latest equipment to provide you with the best medical facilities to ensure the best health for you. At Cura Hospital, we firmly believe that ethics is the most integral part of the daily care of our patients. We cater to our patients with love, care, and complete dedication. Our institutional core value is ethics and integrity.
To highlight the apprehensions of a patient would be that they would think, would we be treated well? Would our disease get treated if we go to this hospital? We think about and practice solving this problem by treating the patients as we would want to be treated like patients if at all we go to some other hospital. We do this through our top-notch doctors who've been trained in the best centers in the world, through our excellent nursing care, and through all the advanced and latest instruments that we use over here to achieve the results which are required in this era of evidence-based medicine.
At Cura Hospital, the philosophy of care signifies acute commitment. All our team members are pledged with the commitment of giving our patients and their families the care that is supported by the highest order of compassion, technology, innovation. We believe collaborating with us empowers you to take better critical decisions that concern your health. We can improve your health and take care of your well-being and provide the best possible treatment just by working as a team.
We give maximum importance to maintaining hygienic conditions in our hospital, and the best practices regarding hygiene in our hospital are on par with any other international hospital.
We create a highly caring, healing environment. A caring and doting relationship with patients and their families is key to everything we do at Cura. We are passionate about patient care and treat them like family, finding new cures using the best, finest, and latest technology, where we also give teaching to our newcomers and inspiring healthcare internists. We put you at the center of all our activities because we believe in your well-being first. We wish to evolve as a dynamic and keep a fluid approach towards responding to change that keeps our patients calm and comfortable and at ease with us. Our team at Cura continuously assess, plan, implement, and evaluate healthcare delivery based on the basis of judgment and evidence. At Cura, we are continuously striving to provide the best and leave no stone unturned towards the delivery of safe, expert, and compassionate care filled with quality. Cura Hospitals. Healing with care.